In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build reports in Monday.com. Monday.com, fast and easy. If you're new to Monday.com or just need to streamline your reporting process, don't worry. We've got you covered. We'll take a straightforward approach to create insightful reports, helping you transform raw data into valuable insights with nothing more than a few clicks. To kick things off, we'll start by creating a dashboard. Dashboards in Monday.com serve as a hub where you can view and interact with your data intuitively. They're your control center, enabling you to streamline information from multiple sources in one place. To create a dashboard, simply navigate to your Monday.com workspace, and you'll find the option to add a new dashboard. Once there, you can give your dashboard a name that reflects the purpose of your report. This will help you and your team to locate it easily in the future. Next, it's time to add widgets. These are the building blocks of your report. Think of them as miniature apps sitting on your dashboard, each designed to display specific types of data in a visually appealing way. Begin by exploring widgets such as numbers, charts, and tables, all of which are purpose-built to present data in statistical and graphical formats. The Numbers widget allows you to display key figures, providing at-a-glance information. Charts are perfect for visualizing trends and comparisons, while tables help organize data points in an easy-to-read format. You can add a widget by selecting the Add Widget option on your dashboard and choosing the type that best suits your data presentation needs. Now that you've got your widgets set up, it's crucial to connect relevant boards to your dashboard. This step essentially enables real-time data flow into your widgets so that the numbers and charts reflect live information. Look for the Connect Boards option within your dashboard settings. Once there, select the boards that contain data pertinent to your report. With your boards connected, the information contained within them will now feed directly into your widgets, keeping your reports updated as data changes. Finally, let's organize our dashboard, ensuring your custom report is both appealing and functional. This is your chance to personalize the layout to match your workflow and reporting style. You can rearrange the widgets by simply clicking and dragging them into your preferred positions. Think about what information is most critical for your goals and give it prominence on your dashboard. Remember, a well-organized report doesn't just look good. It also enhances your productivity and aids in data-driven decision-making. So there you have it, a clean-cut, efficient way to build reports in Monday.com. By following these clear steps to create a dashboard, add relevant widgets, connect your data sources, and customize the layout, you'll have a powerful reporting tool at your fingertips. Try it out and drive your business insights to the next level.